G'day, here we are at Hazza's Home Kitchen again, and tonight we're going to be trying out WOOLWORTHs ham and cheese croquettes. So we'll check out the instructions and see what we've got to do and see how they turn out. Okay, so the instructions say to put them in the oven at 200 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. But tonight we're going to be cooking them in the air fryer, the Anko 7-litre air fryer. So we'll put them in there at 200 degrees, but we'll leave them for about 15 minutes and see how they go. Okay, so we're going to put them in the air fryer and we're going to cook these and we're going to see how they turn out. There's 8 croquettes in the packet. Well, actually we got an extra one, we got 9. So they've given us a bonus. Good on you, Woolworths. Okay, so we're going to start the air fryer up. So turn it on and we'll set it to 200 degrees. And we'll set it for 15 minutes and we'll hit start. Okay, so they've been in the air fryer now for about 5 minutes, so we're just going to open it up and turn them over. And we'll move them around again in about another 5 minutes. Okay, so they've been in there for 10 minutes now, so we're just going to turn them over again. See how they're going. Oh, they've started to pop open. Oh, I think they might be ready. I'll give another couple of minutes and see how we go. Obviously the air fryer is a little bit too much for them. But anyway, I'll give them another couple of minutes. Okay, so they've been in there a while. We had a look at them last time and they were breaking open. So we're going to take them out now because I'm pretty sure that they're done. So we'll take them out. Yeah, some of the potatoes popped out. Okay, so we took them out of the air fryer at about 10 minutes. So, and you can see that they've started to pop open a bit, but they look done. And you can eat them with your choice of dipping sauce. My choice at the moment is Heinz Baconaise. Okay, so we've taken the croquettes out of the air fryer and they're cooked, and we're going to give one of these bad boys a try. So we've cut it in half, and it's definitely got potato in it, and it's got ham and cheese. So let's try one. Nice and crunchy, turned out nice and crunchy, and they definitely taste pretty good. You can taste the ham and cheese in them and the mashed potato. They definitely taste like croquettes. So I'd recommend the Woolworths ham and cheese croquettes. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other 2 videos over that side, and please hit the subscribe button down below. Would be greatly appreciated. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.